I'm Andrea, and this is Range Life Skoolie. And we've been living in it for about 3 years. Almost in April will be 3 years. We have our dog and my husband, and the front. Go through the entrance.
I gave away my license plate, so I can't give you any more.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, we collect the license plates everywhere we go and put them up for our stairs. And
sure.
So I work remote, and this is my workstation up here. And I just flip this up. I have a TV tray, and I just stand here and work on my workspace. It's a little messy right now, but
hey, we live in these things.
It's our home, yes. So this pulls out into a bed for when our kids come stay with us. And then we have kitchen. The sink is under here. We don't have the pumped water yet. We do have it piped, but it's just not, we don't have the pump going.
Well,
so
like I say in all these videos, schoolies are done-ish. They're never done. So
kitchen, my husband fabricated all of this himself. He got it from a remodeled kitchen and just pieced it all back together and did all the drawers. He did all of the woodworking, all the woodwork for everything.
I like the dragonflies.
Yeah, thanks. I love all that. And then he did, this is old out of a closet, and this was one of my birthday presents. I came home and there was trees on my wall. And then he also did the backsplash.
Oh yeah.
I just love the backsplash, yeah. That was another birthday present. And then we have our composting toilet here. I don't have much good light back here. I can open the window. So we have the bedroom area.
A little dark.
Yeah. Is it too dark? We have the closets on each side. My husband collects Pez dispensers, so we did a Pez dispenser wall.
That's cool.
And then more over storage, under storage. This is the shower area once we get it all good and plumbed.
Like most schoolies.
Yeah.
Showers are storage.
Yep. Especially while we're traveling.
Yeah.
So full size, well, it's an apartment size fridge. And then he custom made the drawers to come out. Because when we were driving, well, of course it's stuck, all my stuff would come flying out of the cupboard. So that's the inside, and this is my domain. This is my area. Oh, and he also put a pocket door in because so he can watch TV out here, I can watch TV back here, or we can just have our chill space alone. It's nice because he stays up late and then I work early in the morning, so it's nice. I can just go to sleep. And yeah, this is the inside space. We still have to finish the roof.
Now you have solar, right?
We do have solar. I can't remember how many watts. That's his domain. We just got it put in, and I noticed that it will run our shore power for about 4 hours, and then we have to like give it a break, and then it'll go.
Right. Yeah. Days like today, it's a little bit cloudy.
Yeah. So, and Starlink, we did not realize till we came here that it does suck a lot of power. So I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
But I use T-Mobile hotspot a lot, or Starlink when I'm working.
I'm thinking that there's so many people who have Starlink that I'm not having as much trouble connecting up with the cell towers as I did in previous years. Like I could watch videos in the middle of the day instead of 1,000 people all hooked to the cell tower.
Yeah.
So it's it's helped.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you. I like the bus.
And then, so yeah, behind the wall back there is 12 feet of wood shop. So you gotta get in that way. Yeah.
Can we take a look?
Yeah, absolutely, please.
And the fan duel every night is a watch party. So it's time
There we go.
tonight, gang. You know,
Well,
I'll let him show you.
bifocals and stairs are always fun.
Right, I know, right? Progressive.
So I've already started putting some tools back away, so it's not as open at the moment. But I got a full wood shop,
Yeah.
all my hand tools. I got a MIDI lathe there. I got a mini lathe up on top that I use for buffing and polishing. I got a drill press, a 12-inch disc sander.
You've seen my videos where I'm doing something and with clamps. I'm like, you never have enough clamps.
Right?
You almost have enough.
I'm getting closer. Then I'm to the point where it's getting to the right clamp, you know.
Yeah, well, there is that.
I always end up with being too either too long when I'm just cumbersome, or it's too short and it doesn't quite reach the panel or what I'm doing with.
Yeah, I've got two that are 5 feet long. I hardly ever use.
Yeah.
But I got the ones that are only like 18 inches, and I always need the 20-inch. You know, like.
Yeah. But those the 5 footers. You use them once a year, but you have to hold on to them. You have to have them. I mean,
I need something to hold them up while I'm doing that 20-inch thing.
Yeah, I have two panel clamps in there that are they're 4 footers, and I keep them stuffed behind the bandsaw, but and I pull them out rarely. But when I do, I mean, you do have to.
Yeah, it's one of those. If you need them, you need them, but most of the time you don't.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah,
Oh, very cool.
Some of the other cool. I mean, my drill press station is behind the table saw right now, and I pulled that out when we parked. But this little cabinet right there, I built it so that that handle up there actually is a leg, so that's another workspace. My MIDI lathe, I have it on just one pivot, so when we're driving or if I'm doing spindle work, I can leave it like that orientation. But if I want to do bowls or something bigger, I can rotate it all the way to a little past 45 degrees and have a big wide open space, which is
nice.
Good. I built this on top of my bandsaw right there. I built a wedge type. It's like a wedge, so that there's not a flat surface, because horizontal surfaces in the shop just end up being catch-alls, and it really bugs me. But so I have it just sits on there when I'm not using the bandsaw, and just pulls off just a no sit plate, you know.
Right.
Which is nice. But
cool.
This is full of hand tools, my power tools, like drills and Makitas and that thing, which the file cabinets are such a nice touch. They lock so nicely. Everything just stays in place.
Even though I have that big shop now, I've got 2 benches that have tools all over them, and Fritz, my buddy, is always telling me I need to get it organized. I was like, I know. Give me time.
Yeah. Easier said than done, and one person's organized is another person's cluttered. It's small shops, and you are familiar with small shops. It's you really have to have a place for everything in its place.
Yeah.
But then with a small shop, you have so many things in this place. You have so many places.
Yeah. My shop, when I had the house, everything was within. I could stand there at the table saw and reach back, and I could grab whatever it was I needed, because everything was within reach, which was nice, but also a problem.
Right, yeah.
You know, there's only so much room.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, all right, thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you. That was awesome. Thank you for